Hello guys, I'm back again. Today I have come up with something very unique. Some FAQs basically, which probably someone who is entering new into the market, who wants to trade, who wants to do the investment, will have certain questions. And I have tried to answer 10 of such questions. So if you are planning to get into the market, share market, mutual fund, crypto market, and if you have no idea about it, how to go about it, and if you have some questions, this video is for you guys. So if you are starting the video, hang it till the end of the video. And the document which I am using, like there is a document in which I have mentioned all the questions as answers as well. I'll upload it in my description box, so you can download it from there if you wish to. First question: what is the right time to enter into the markets? According to me, it is actually a myth which is created by the people around, that there is something which is known as right time. According to me, entry should be made in the market as and when you get to know about it, as and when you have some surplus money with you. For example, at the time of COVID, there was fear going on everywhere, and everyone was waiting. Market will fall. Ab aur girega, ab aur girega, ab aur girega. This is not the right time to buy. March khatam, April khatam, May khatam. Aur girega, aur girega. Did it happen that way? No. Yeah, March mein gira, April mein gira. But see now, the markets are just growing at a pace which no one could have perceived in the month of March, that market will react in such a positive way. But yes, this is what it is. So that is the reason I feel there is no such time called as right time to enter into the market. In fact, investing in March was a golden opportunity to earn the maximized returns on your investment. I've always remembered one quote which was given by the great Warren Buffett. When all the stakeholders in the market are going bearish, that is the time you go bullish. That means when people around you are choosing to sell, that is the time where you buy. So yeah. Second question: is there a strategy which you need to follow while trading in the market? This is actually a very subjective thing. Purely depends on the individuals. But if I have to answer that question, definitely a very big yes. Because with correct strategy, you can probably have all the calculations and have a better control of your funds in the market. And you can even have a better understanding of where your present money will reach over a certain period. You'll be able to understand the concept of future value of money and stuff. If you put the things, do it in your organized way, you will definitely have a better understanding and the position. So yes, I definitely prefer having a strategy is very important if you are entering into the market, and especially if you are fresh, if you are amateur, if you are the beginner, you have to have it. Third question: is there any role of being disciplined while trading in the market? Yes, no doubt about that. I think the most important thing which you need to have as a trader is discipline. If you can actually preset the exit time from the market and follow it rigorously, you will definitely justify your investment. Because greed is what something which causes the downfall. And only thing which you can help to overcome this is stay disciplined and exit at your predetermined targets. What I mean about predetermined targets: whenever you are going to purchase a share, set the target. As soon as the target gets hit, exit from the market. Don't wait for that extra gain. Just book your profit, exit your position. Follow this, be disciplined, and you can do wonders in the market. Learn the art of staying disciplined in the market. Question 4: how to decide which market to enter? There can be many factors, but one which is there for each and every stakeholders: time horizon. I feel can be the best criteria for deciding the correct market for a particular individual. For example, if you are willing to invest in the mutual fund, like if you are willing to invest some amount today and you want some handsome return after 20-30 years, then mutual fund is undoubtedly the best place to enter. On the other hand, if the funds are to be redeemed in 8 to 10 years, cryptocurrency, it is going to evolve. In the coming 10 to 15 years, it is definitely going to evolve. No doubt about that. Share market. If the time horizon is 2 to 3 years, share market. Amazing option. It can also be used for short-term trading, but only with some knowledge. Question 5. Which is the correct place for beginners? It is so simple. If you are a beginner with no knowledge, find a good mutual fund. Take long position for 25-30 years. Start the SIP. Even cryptocurrency is the best option if you want to go long and you are a beginner. Only if you end up selecting the correct coin. And in mutual fund, if you end up selecting the correct mutual fund. In contrary to answer to question 5, like correct coin and correct fund, what about the share market? I just ignored it. For a beginner, if you want to enter a share market, with very little or no knowledge come with the fund which are ensure that whatever amount you are investing in the share market, you are ready to see it as a zero. Only if you have that courage, enter the share market with zero knowledge or with very little knowledge. Initial patience and loss bearing abilities will be the key, because with time you will learn many things, but the patience and character will decide how long you survive in the market. You need to have that character, Factors to be considered for trading in share market. There are so many different factors which are there in share markets. But if I have to sum it up, it will be probably fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and the latest news which is going around in the world. There might come a question, can you please elaborate? Fundamental, technical, what are you talking about? So yeah, suppose you want to buy a share and you are ready to hold it for 2-3 years, equity share. Fundamental analysis is the thing you follow. What is fundamental analysis? Looking into the financial statement, calculating the accounting ratios, policies, ethical, how ethical the company is, ratings given by credit ratings are some of the important things which you check. If you want to go for 2-3 years, fundamental has to be strong. But on the other hand, if you want to do a short-term trading, charts, technical analysis, price movement, the latest news regarding to the company, regarding to that industry. Suppose there is a certain news which is going to affect the industry, which is going to affect that company. You need to react according to the news, according to the effect which is going to have. Why there is so much of emphasis on targets? Like many a time in my video I've said about targets. What I believe is, if you actually have a firm target, and if you, before taking a position, especially in the market, and the exit is very clear, you can actually fetch the optimum returns on the money you are choosing to invest in the market. Because according to me, clarity is the only thing which helps you going, okay, irrespective of the situation. The odds doesn't matter. So ensure you are following a target trading whenever you enter the market. The target should be very clear. You should be very clear about what you want to do, what you want out of a particular share, and if you can learn the art of target trading as well as staying disciplined and following a particular strategy, you can excel in the market like amazingly well. The last and the most, might be the awaited question. My mutual fund to place bet on as well as crypto coins. So yeah, I have an amazing mutual fund, Parag Parikh Long-Term Equity Fund. Even I have my personal SIP and it is fetching me amazing returns. I am very satisfied. It is fundamentally strong. The best thing about it is it gives you exposure to foreign markets. Like if you see the portfolio of Parag Parikh Long-Term Equity Fund, it is diversified, no doubt. All mutual funds have a diversified portfolio, but Parag Parikh Long-Term Equity Fund is giving me the exposure of foreign market. Like it holds some foreign shares also, and that is the reason I have placed my bet. And if someone will come to me recommend for the recommendation in mutual fund, undoubtedly Parag Parikh Long-Term Equity. Cryptocurrency, the hottest cryptocurrency in the market as of now is Chainlink, undoubtedly, blindly. And it is going to fetch you some insane return over the years, insane, which you as an investor will be shocked. So if you want to take something out of this video, take one thing, and that is buy one Chainlink, at least one Chainlink. You are not going to regret it, for sure. It is going to rock in the long run, like in 5 to 10 years, it's going to rock. I'm very bullish. If someone can't afford a single Chainlink also, Matic, it is another one on the list of my recommendation for investment in cryptocurrency. Mutual fund, 25 to 30 years. Cryptocurrency, next to 10 to 15 years. And the biggest disclaimer, all the above markets are subject to risk. No one can guarantee returns. With this, I would like to end my video. If you want to have the copy of the question and answer, I'm leaving the link of that in description box. You can download it from there and view it. Thank you guys. Happy investing.